Traveling the back roads west of Missoula, you encounter a spectacular landscape with dramatic mountain views framing open plains along Highway 200 from Dixon to Heron. The sight of undulating 30-foot giant ripples frozen in time at Camas Prairie Basin is eerie and striking. How did they form, and what story do they tell about the massive outburst floods of Glacial Lake Missoula? The Camas Prairie ripples were a key piece of evidence advancing the theory of the rapid draining of the ancient lake.
Ripples are a great thing and a great visual to think about. So we've all been down to the river or down to the beach and seen ripples forming by the water. And usually the ripples we see forming on the beach, they're in shallow water, and these ripples are about an inch from one crest to the next. I've actually got some ripples here recorded in a rock, and you can see the difference from one crest to the next is about an inch. And this is a very natural process. It's due to the transport of sediment by the water moving over it. One of the real keys to breaking open the Lake Missoula story was when we realized that there were some ripples up in Camas Prairie just north of Missoula. But these were ripples where the distance between one crest to the next is now about 100 meters or about a football field. And the height difference is about 3 meters or about 10 feet. And we realized that these were ripples. They had to have been formed by water, but the scale of that water movement was nothing like what we are used to seeing. Must have been a huge flood, moving massive amounts of water and making ripples at a scale 100 times larger than we're used to seeing. The best place, honestly, to see the ripples is on Google Earth and to fly over Camas Prairie. They're just gonna pop. You're going to see them. They're going to look just like ripples you've seen anywhere else until you realize that it's a valley that you're looking at and not a small pond. You can drive there thinking this is the place that broke the Lake Missoula story open.
Head out to Camas Prairie to investigate the giant ripples that can be seen from space. Strain to hear the roar of the violent, ancient waters heaving gravel into undulating waves on the lake bottom. The ripples are now covered by quiet grasslands and vivid blue camas flowers in ancient still life.
Snap a photo and post it on the Montana Natural History Center website. #GLM Giant Ripples.